Hello and welcome to the second tutorial of Thinkally. Thinkally, again, as I've said before, is Nigeria's largest school management software. And why do we say so? Thinkally is used by over 1 million students currently in Nigeria, and we are really glad about that. So in the first tutorial, I showed you a part that was part 1 of the overview, and so in this second tutorial I'm going into part 2 of the overview. Again, you must have been given your Thinkally school username and login credentials. I have mine here, Galaxy, and then password. That's it. So I log in again. Of course, you know, as you log in, you are logging in as the admin. It is the job of the admin to create all other users and also create passwords for those others. So I quickly jump right into the overview. In the last part of the tutorial, I talked about the dashboard. I'm showing you, of course, in the next tutorial we're going to be taking the modules one by one, but you have students module, you have parents, you have teachers, you have users. Here I need to talk to you about these users. Thinkally allows you to create unlimited groups of users. So there are different groups of users, such as students. We know that we have that in every school. We have parents in every school. We also have teachers in every school. But you may have other users that are not listed here, like accountants, like front desk, like admin, like even non-teaching support staff, drivers, and all of that. So Thinkally allows you to create several groups of users. Under the academic module here, you have classes. You create sections. Now again, sections in Thinkally here looks to me like what you can call arms of the same class. You have subjects. You can create subjects, syllabus, assignment, timetable. You have attendance. You can mark student attendance. You can mark teachers attendance. You can even mark attendance of other users that you have created. You have the exam section where you create your own exam, first time exam, second time exam, third time. You know, actually Thinkally allows you to create as many exam terms as possible. You can schedule the exam for a date. You can create grades. Of course, you can create your own grades and also the mark distribution within the grades. Also, Thinkally allows you to mark attendance for each examination. There's another segment where you have marks. Here is where you record the marks of the exams that have been written. You create the marks distribution yourself, such as test, assignment, exam, project, and all that you have. Promotion is included. You can promote automatically or with certain conditions. Thinkally allows you to upload media like images, like you can even make Thinkally your own mini file safe. For instance, you have some files that you don't want to lose that you have created in school or you are using. You can create them and store them here. Of course, it isn't going to allow you too much space, but definitely the little files that you need to keep can be stored there. Also, one of the biggest, the highest points of this new version of Thinkally is that it has embedded in it the online Cbt module. You know, this Cbt module is very, very dynamic and robust. You create your own exam questions, your question group, question level. You add as many questions, unlimited number of questions as possible. You then create the online exam, and students also log in. Don't forget that this is admin interface. You also have an interface for every user: the teachers, what you want them to see, the parents, the teachers, the students, the parents, and all other users that you have created in the system. Also, getting away from that, we have the payroll module. You have asset management, inventory, leave application, child, where you have activities and skills, library. Yes, Thinkally has an e-library or e-learning module where you can store books, e-books, borrow books. I mean, students can come to borrow books. You issue books, you can even upload your own ebooks. You have transport module, hostel module, accounting module. I mean, this is very robust. The accounting module is also linked with the payment setting. Thinkally allows you to input your own payment settings. It allows you to collect money. It's an inbuilt payment gateway. For the Nigerian users, we're going to be working with VoPay. VoPay is inarguably one of the best and user-friendly payment gateways. So for those of us using Thinkally in Nigeria, we're going to be working using VoPay as the payment gateway. Of course, there are several other things we're going to be showing you in the course of the tutorial. I want you to enjoy your stay. If there's anything, any question you would like to ask, just drop it in the comment box below if you are watching on YouTube, or send an email to info@thinkally.net. info@thinkally.net. Many thanks for listening to this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.